welcome back everyone. If this is your first time here, you're going to find a lot of home improvement, home DIY videos. If you own a home, you might like some of the videos I have here for you on the channel. This video is about how to deal with a furnace that keeps cycling off, a gas furnace. Maybe the flame sensor is not working properly. I do have a video on that, which I'll link down below and maybe up here on a card. But when the flame sensor is working properly, but there's actually no flame to sense, it could be that your burners are clogged and they're all not getting lit, just like you'll see right here in this clip. So what I'm going to do is teach you how to take care of this, how to fix it. It's pretty simple, just requires just a little bit of cleaning and dismantling, but that should be the fix. You don't need to hire anyone to do this for you. Just stay with me and see what we do. Here we are down here. We're looking at the burners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to take this whole burner plate off, remove it, and clean it out. I'm going to show you where we've got some buildup and why these two burners are not lighting. And just need to remove a couple of these screws, and hopefully it'll come right out easily enough. Okay, so I'm just going to work these screws out off camera, and then once we pull it out, we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I got the screws out, and now the burners can come out. Alright, we're going to bring this into the garage, I think, but you can see the corrosion in between. I'm going to get into what's going on with that in a moment and how we're going to clean it up. So the way this works here, you've got the 5 burners, right? And what happens is that when your furnace turns on, before it actually lights, you've got gas coming out of each of these ports here. And on the one side, you're going to have your igniter. And on the other side, you're going to have your flame sensor. So what happens is your igniter will light the gas here, and then there should be a little bit of gas in this channel where it'll light and travel to the next one, and then it'll light this channel and travel to the next one, and so forth, until it reaches the end where the flame sensor needs to make sure that this is lit. If this is lit, it means the others are lit. If this is not lit, then your flame sensor will sense no flame and it'll shut everything down. Okay? So what I had here on the original clip you saw was these 3 were lit, these 2 were not, which meant in here there was some buildup that was preventing the gas from traveling, and the flame from traveling from here to here. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this out. You can use a lot of different things to clean it out. A wire brush, which I quite honestly cannot locate right now, but I've got this, which I could scrape in there. You can get in there with a tool if you'd like. You know, hacksaw blade, maybe a couple different things that whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that this is all channeled out and clean, that's what you're going to do. Going to clean them all out, and then we'll reassemble this and give it a shot. So now that it's cleaned up, well, to the best of our ability anyway, we're going to reassemble this. Put it back where it went. So I'm doing it with one hand while I hold the camera. There we go. Now we're just going to put the screws in, and we're off to the races. Okay, the screws are in, so let's give it a shot. Okay, easy fix, wasn't it? Didn't it look easy? It was. Maybe tough to get a screwdriver in the right position to get a couple of the screws out. Get a shorter screwdriver if you need be, if you don't have the room. But you know what? In the end, is a fairly simple fix. Try to do it yourself before you decide to pay someone else to do it for you. It's not hard. You don't need to replace any parts for what I just did there. And it should take you no longer than 30 minutes between disassembling, scraping it all out, cleaning it, and reassembling it. Hopefully this helped you. Thanks again for watching. Hit the bell notification icon so you get notified of future videos. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.